Pardon me while I fix my bow tie, but what's going on, guys? Miles here with Standish Cocktails. How in the heck are you? So, today, as you can see, with all of this that I got going on, we're doing something fun, we're doing something vibrant. It's summertime, it's hot out. Who doesn't like fresh lemonade, fresh tea, and some good old vodka? It's made for summer, so that's what we're doing. It's called the Summer Monkey. So we're gonna be using some fresh sweet tea. We're gonna be using lemon juice, Monkey and Paradise Vodka, and some pear and lemon jam from Bonnie's Farms. Yeah, say all that, just spewing out of my mouth, but you get the picture. It's gonna be awesome. And then we're gonna be actually using some Lemon Balm. So let's talk about everything that's going on here. So Lemon Balm is actually in the mint family. So Lemon Balm, people cook with it, you steep your tea with it, and it actually adds a very awesome citrusy, just lemony burst to anything that you put it in. So in place of mint, that's what we're gonna be using. And then obviously some fresh lemons. And then on this side, let's talk about our vodka for a second. Vodka is already an awesome, amazing spirit. Like I said, especially during the summertime, it plays well with everything. But this vodka is special. It's different. It's distilled 7 times. The process that they use in this vodka, it's a reverse osmosis process. So it takes 11 gallons of water to make 1 gallon of water to even distill this vodka. And then it's also charcoal filtered 3 times, allowing alcohol, water to rest, 4 different proof levels. So basically you get a smoother, more refined product at the end, but it's amazing. And then let's talk about everything else. We're gonna be using Bonnie's Farms lemon pear jam. I've made a few cocktails with their jams, and I gotta tell you, the cocktails are jamming. No, but seriously, their jams are phenomenal. And then we're actually gonna be using sweet tea. So instead of using unsweet tea and then trying to add simple syrup and so many steps and processes, we just brewed ourselves some good old sweet tea. You eliminate a step, it makes it easy for you, it makes it easy for me, and I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. Let's just do it. So, all right, we're gonna take a few pieces of our Lemon Balm here. You don't need a lot. This is, like I said, super aromatic. So you're only gonna tear off just a couple pieces, right? And we're gonna actually put this in our glass here. Just muddle it, just to break it. You don't wanna shred it up. You literally just wanna twist it so you can open up all those oils going on in the Lemon Balm itself. All right, and then we're gonna add 2 bar spoons of this jam. And then we're gonna add about 3 ounces of our sweet tea. This cocktail is more tea-based, so 3 ounces is what we're running with. And then we're only gonna add 1 ounce of lemon juice. And go ahead and add that. And then the star of the show, 2 ounces of this delicious Monkey in Paradise Vodka. Notice we're adding everything right into the glass. And then we're gonna put some ice. Give this bad boy a shake with, you guessed it, a bartender smile. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good too. And then that same glass, we're actually gonna add some ice to it. We're using crushed ice this time. I like crushed ice. I don't know what it is about crushed ice in the summertime, but honestly, it's my fave. And we're gonna strain it right over. No need to double strain. It's okay if you get a few of the little mint pieces going on in there. That's what we're looking for anyway. And then, cut a few slices of this lemon here. Put it right in our glass. Don't be afraid if it spills a little bit. It's okay. It's your cocktail anyway. And then let's add this lemon balm right on the top. And there you have it. The Summer Monkey. Sip, enjoy, and as always, tip your bartenders. Cheers.